So guys, first come to this websites gigabyte.com, and this is the official website. Then you can see here search key, so click and type model number Z89 AORUS Elite X ICE and then hit enter. Click to product. Then click to here. This is Y7, Wi-Fi 7, and this is then click to support. So you can see VGA driver, Intel VGA driver. This is both Windows 10 and 11. You can size here, you just click to download, which is automatically, I already start for downloading. You can see here graphic card. So wait few seconds to install and just show you how to after download I show you how to install. So it is completed. Just single click to icon, then double click. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Then yes. Now this is installing by cmd command, so please wait few seconds. So it is install and then close it.